Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to set up the Lexus app. First, you'll want to download the official Lexus app from your smartphone's app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date for optimal performance. Having your vehicle identification number, or VIN, handy will streamline the registration process significantly. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup experience. Once the app is installed, open it and choose to register or create a new account. You'll be prompted to enter some basic personal information, including your email address and a secure password. It's important to use a strong, unique password for your account's security. After submitting your details, check your email for a verification link to activate your new Lexus account. This step ensures your account is properly linked and ready for use. With your account activated, log in to the Lexus app using your newly created credentials. The app will then guide you through the process of adding your Lexus vehicle. This is where your vehicle identification number, or VIN, becomes essential. Carefully enter the 17-character VIN into the designated field. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to successfully enroll your car, linking it to your app for remote services and information. This connects your vehicle to your digital world. Now that your Lexus app is fully set up and your vehicle is enrolled, it's time to explore its many features. You can remotely start your engine, lock or unlock your doors, and check your vehicle's status from almost anywhere. The app also provides access to your service history, maintenance schedules, and direct contact for roadside assistance. Take a moment to customize your notifications and preferences to tailor the app experience to your specific needs. Enjoy the convenience and control at your fingertips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.